Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Takagi Tankless water heater is showing code 111, it usually indicates an ignition failure, meaning the unit is not able to properly light the burner to heat water. This can be frustrating because the system may try to start but then shut down, leaving you without hot water. The important thing to understand is that this code is often linked to gas supply issues, air in the line, or minor connection problems rather than a serious breakdown. Because tankless systems rely on precise ignition conditions, even a small interruption can trigger this error. Instead of assuming the unit needs repair, you can go through a few key checks to resolve it step by step. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact process to fix Takagi code 111 and restore your hot water supply. Try these. 1. Check that the gas supply valve is fully open and providing proper flow. 2. Turn the unit off and then back on to reset the ignition system. 3. Ensure there is no air trapped in the gas line by running the system briefly. 4. Inspect power connections to confirm the unit is receiving stable electricity. 5. Check air intake and exhaust vents for any blockage or obstruction. 6. Observe if the error clears after restart and monitor the unit during operation.